The wild world of smart home tech includes all manner of devices from vacuums to air fryers, but you can even control your router using your voice. A prime example is that of the Dynalink AX3600 Wi-Fi 6 router, which is one of the cheapest such networking devices on the market today, and we're going to go hands-on. Thanks for watching 9 to 5 Google here on YouTube. Remember to thumbs up, hit subscribe, and then tap the bell icon to be notified about all our future uploads. Designed to be at the very heart of your home, Dynalink has made things easy with a dedicated mobile app to streamline the connection of this router and the entire setup process associated. Thanks to the integration with popular smart assistants, you can even tie the Dynalink AX3600 router directly to your Google Home account and enable some basic voice controls that allow you to do things like activate and deactivate a dedicated guest network using just your voice, which is obviously great when you have friends and family over during a busy holiday period and want some added extra controls and filters. If you do ever need to make changes to your home network, you can set up and manage devices directly from your smartphone. This makes the Dynalink AX3600 router a great option even for those not normally confident when setting up and managing home networking equipment. Wi-Fi 6 is fast becoming the industry standard, and the Dynalink AX3600 ensures solid connections and the best speeds with your existing and upcoming tech. Plus, Wi-Fi 6 connectivity should help reduce battery drain on some of your mobile devices. The improved connection tech also makes a great deal of difference, with 4K video streaming increasing year over year and video calling is becoming much more commonplace. You may be looking for a replacement for your tired old router that cannot keep up. The Dynalink AX3600 base station also has a wide 4,800 square foot coverage range, making this a great option for all types of property, adding the ability to connect up to 200 devices concurrently with max speeds of 3.6 gigabits per second, that is 1.2 gigabits per second via the 2.4 GHz band and 2.4 gigabits per second via the 5 GHz band. Then this all adds up to the perfect package for even the most online of households. Enhanced parental controls and profile creation mean that you can ensure that family members also stay safe online. These controls allow you to set access time periods and block sites, or even prioritize the specific traffic such as gaming consoles or smart TV hardware using the enhanced quality of service priority settings, ensuring that streaming, gaming and general performance is smooth and consistent at all times of the day. This router even supports the latest WPA3 security protocol, which offers stronger encryption and therefore protection from outside threats to your internal Wi-Fi network. A home router doesn't need to be ugly and bulky, and the Dynalink AX3600 proves that courtesy of a sleek shape and overall solid construction. This means that it looks good in any position in your home without large antennas and unsightly extras, something that many people find important even for an essential home connectivity tool. Important on-device ports are not lost either. Just because the Dynalink AX3600 router does look good and has a sleek aesthetic, you've got access to a 2.5 gigabits per second WAN port, 4 1 gigabit LAN ports, plus a USB 3 port at the rear. The WPS button is also easy to access here too, for quickly adding devices to your secure network. At under $100, the Dynalink AX3600 router is one of the most feature-rich Wi-Fi 6 networking kits you can buy at this price point, and the perfect way to boost performance in your home. Head to the link in the description if you want to learn more about the Dynalink AX3600 router, and be sure to tune into more videos here on 9 to 5 Google.